Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve a leetcode problems. It is a two sum problem, and this is a easy level problem. So let's come see what it is saying. So it is saying that given an array of integer nums, means have to you have a nums array and an integer target, and you have a target, and you have return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Okay, so let's see what is saying. Let's come to see example. Okay, so here you have a nums array. So nums array you have element of 2, 7, 11 and 15, and your target is 9. Now you have to think that which element we add, then it become target, like 2 and 7. If you add 2 and 7, then it become 9. Okay, it become target. So you have to return the 2 and 7 7 elements index in an array. Okay, like 0 and 1. Okay, so let's come to the next example. Here is 3 to 4 and your target is 6. So if you look, then 3 and 2, then 3 or 2 is not becoming target. 3 to 5, so it is not equal to 6, so we don't consider it. But 2 and 4, if you add 2 and 4, then it becomes 6, so we consider 2 and 4 and we return the index of 2 and 4. So let's see what happening, how to solve it. So I'm solving in Java. You can solve in any programming language, no matter, but the approach is same. Okay, so first what, so first we create an array, because no matter what your language you are doing, first approach is you have to make return type, because your return type is in int array. Okay, so we have to create an array first. So int answer equal to new int, and our length of that array is 2, because we have to return two length array. 0 and you can see in example every output is of 2 length. So we can where we create answer that's length is 2. Okay, now what our approach will be, we have to traverse in the on the nums, and we can find the target, that which element is going to add to which element, then become it target. Okay, so let's see what happens. So we can create here for loop. Int I start from 0 and I go to where, I go to nums dot length. Okay, I plus plus. Now let's come. Now you have to store the value of I. Suppose, let's come here. Suppose this is your value. Okay, 2, 7, 11 and 15. Okay, so first what, if you here like on the 2, then you have to store the value of 2 for the compare to next. Okay, so we have to store here. So int item 1 equal to nums dot I. Nums dot I, why? Because where the I represent, like I equal to 0, so I represent first, so we have to store first. It means here what come, here come 2. Okay, now what, now we have to move, now we have to apply another loop, inner loop after that I. We have to compare 2 to 7, 2 to 11. So next for loop start from after the I. Okay, so let's create for int j equal to, from where start, from next to I, yani I plus 1. Okay, and next j is less than nums dot length and j plus plus. Okay, now again what, again uh, we have to store the value of nums of j. Okay, so now what, here comes 7. Okay, in first round. Okay, 2 come here in nums of I, and in nums of I where we store in item 1, and in item 2 we store nums of j, which is 7. Now what? Now our condition will be that we have to compare, if our item of 1 plus item of 2 is equal to which target, which is equal to target. If both are equal, then what should I do? We should add the index of both item 1 and item 2 into answer. It means in answer 0 and in answer 1 we have to add index. But what is the index of item 1 and item 2? So if you see, if you look, then what is the item 1? So item 1 is nothing but nums of I. Okay, whatever the value on nums of I, that is item 1. So we can write here I. Okay, and in answer 1 we can write here J. Okay, now what? Now nothing, you have to just return the answer. Okay, we can now return the answer. Okay, let's see, run it. Okay, run it. Okay, okay, so it is accepted, every test case pass. So let's do submit it. Okay, so it is accepted. So it is easy level question. I have do nothing here, just a simple two for loop, and we compare the value of each start to the each element to the other, you know other remain element, and we compare each by adding to the target, and if they match, then we return indexes. So it is very simple question, a simple problem. So you can try by yourself first, then you see this video. Okay, goodbye.